Hi, I'm Melanie Parker and I'm from Ian Parker Management Group. We run an online training business. Our whole business is actually online where we've got a full training system. And we've been using Internet Marketing Direct now for about 6 or 7 years. They do a terrific job with all our websites, managing the front end, the back end, everything. And we've recently come on board with Web Security Pro, where they manage the entire back end security-wise. They're really easy to deal with. We get a monthly report, and a few months ago we actually tried to get hacked it was over 100 times. And in our business is entirely online. So if that gets hacked in any way, shape or form, you know, we're out of business. So all the time and effort that it took us to build our entire platform and all of its content on there, we just can't afford to lose any downtime at all. We've got live people on there all the time. They've got access to it 24/7. So if we experience any disruption or downtime with that, like, that's our business. So the small amount that we pay each month for John New and his team to look after everything is pretty much priceless, because we can't put a price on our business going down. So if you guys are looking for any website security at all, like, put your trust in these guys. You definitely won't regret it.